Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to enter a customer deposit in QuickBooks. Customer deposits are payment that you receive before delivering goods or services. Recording them correctly is going to ensure accurate accounting. So let me show you how to get this done. The first step is to create a liability account. To do that, go to settings, chart of accounts, click new. For the category you're going to choose liability. For the detail type, you're going to choose other current liabilities, and then you're going to name it customer deposits and save. The next step is to create a service item. So go to settings, product and services, and then click new and service. Now you're going to choose the name customer deposits. For the income account, you're going to select customer deposits. There's a liability account, and once you're done, save. The third step is to record the deposits. So go to plus new and then sales receipts. Then for the customer, you're going to go ahead and select the customer. For item, you're going to choose customer deposits and then enter the amount received, save and close. Step 4 is to apply deposits to invoice when the work is complete. First, you got to create the invoice for the customer and then add a line for customer deposit with a negative amount. This offsets the final amount due. A pro tip: deposits are liabilities until the service is provided. Avoid recording deposits directly as income to prevent overstating revenue. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.